Last time we were here, you guys got to see a firsthand look at a fully fire damaged property. We were just in the midst of renovations. Well, we're complete, we're ready. We have this on the rental market, we got a buyer, and I want to show you guys the finished product. Let's go take a look. Last minute addition, we ended up painting the exterior. We did a nice two-tone with the color of the paint, and then brand new gutters and downspouts. We did a charcoal gutter and downspout, as well as a brand new fresh exterior paint with the light French gray. Really sharp, really buttoned up. We wanted to give a little bit of a last wow factor when pulling up to the property. So some things that we took care of that might be a little bit above even our initial scope of work. One of the city violations and one of the aspects of the rehab was to repair and paint the porch. We found it to be in really poor condition. I mean, this is 90-year-old, 100-year-old tongue and groove flooring. We ended up ripping it out and we installed all new deck board throughout the front porch. Low maintenance, low upkeep for the next owner, and a little bit extra step for us to make sure that we're providing a good product. As opposed to repairing the old metal railings, we went with something a little bit more weatherproof, tenant-proof, and aesthetically pleasing. These are gonna require no maintenance, no upkeep, and just look a little bit better. As you can see, the doors are installed, brand new exterior doors throughout, new mailboxes, new house numbers, new exterior lights. We really left nothing untouched. Interior, exterior, basement, everything's completely redone. Let's go take a look inside. So we're in the finished downstairs unit. Each unit mirror images of each other. 2-bed, 1-bath, full living room, dining room, semi-eat-in kitchen, 2 bedrooms and a bathroom, obviously. Each unit with their own fireplace. Now, let's talk about some of the updates. We did brand new vinyl plank flooring throughout, all weatherproof, 100% vinyl. So you're gonna have no issues with long-term wear and tear, long-term tenant maintenance, and it's also obviously aesthetically pleasing. The entire house is painted, all new electrical in the house. Windows were upgraded. We were able to service some of the downstairs windows and the upstairs units completely redone. LED lights, I mean, guys, down to the hardware on the built-ins were all replaced. And we went with the black fixtures, black finishes. We wanted everything to match, everything to be in uniform. Painted the heat registers black, new interior doors, new hardware, new ceiling fans. I mean, nothing untouched. We've had a lot of great feedback here from a turnkey duplex. This is really at the top of what you're going to see on the market. That's why we had a buyer almost instantaneously. You know, we're looking at an opportunity here to have a very low maintenance in a multifamily, which it's not that easy to come by. We wanted to give you guys a little bit of perspective on how we've transitioned this property and, you know, really made sure that we've taken care of every aspect for our turnkey investors. And this is a prime example as such. Walking into the bathroom, I mean, everything's pretty similar here. Vinyl plank flooring. Guys, we even went with the granite countertops on the vanity, 4-inch backsplash, hoping to provide a little bit more tenant-proof living here. Low flow toilets, tile surrounds, new fixtures, and even added additional storage space. The tenants have a functional, adequate living here. This might be a little higher end than most rentals in the area, but we don't feel we over rehabbed. We feel that we provided a little bit better quality for tenants and investors. Let's go take a look at the kitchen. Shaker cabinets, granite countertops, 4-inch backsplash, brand new hardware, dishwasher, microwave. This was a last second addition. Again, we wanted to make sure this place was in tip-top shape for investor and for tenants. In a multifamily, it's typically more common to provide appliances. We have stove and fridge being delivered in the next few days. You know, this kitchen is that's gonna be the last remaining piece really to get this buttoned up. Great space, good updates. You know, even installed coat racks inside the foyer area for each unit. You know, nothing untouched. Let's go take a look upstairs. So this is the unit that was extremely compromised. If you guys can remember, charred, this whole place. Black walls and damaged trim and burnt up ceilings. We demoed, reframed, rewired, re-drywalled, and this is the finished product. Everything really turned out exceptional here. I mean, it's bright and flows and clean. And we're excited to finally present this finished product. Pretty similar updates as the downstairs unit, as you can see. Few little changes. All of the windows were upgraded here. Downstairs, we were able to service a couple of them. The downstairs unit, we ended up tackling the porch. Up here, we actually had to redo the balcony area as well. You know, we had some wood repairs, resheeted the floor, and then completed some siding work as well. It's nice, you have a separate outdoor space for the upstairs and for the downstairs, and it gives the tenants a little bit of privacy as well. Front foyer completely redone. It's a separate staircase up to the second floor unit. Again, gives the tenants a little bit more privacy, their own designated closet as well. But, you know, for the most part, I think this is pretty typical for a multifamily area. The only difference is you're not gonna see one fully updated like this. This is the type of product that we provide. These are the updates that we put in. Typically, you know, we're proud of what we're able to provide our investors, and I wanted to show everybody firsthand from beginning to end how we were able to transition this. Initially, I think we were looking at selling this around 180, 190,000. We're actually under contract for 220. Really, I think there's even more room on the table here. So this is an excellent deal for investors. From a rent standpoint, we underwrote this at $1,000 a unit. We have applications at $1,100 a unit. So we're talking about an extra $200 a month in rent that we initially did not underwrite. So there's a little bit of a bonus here for the buyer as well. I'm typically a little bit more conservative from the rent standpoint on the front end, but you know, in terms of condition and in terms of cash flow, we under-promised and over-delivered. Let's go take a look at the basement. So we're in my favorite part of every house, the basements, especially in these larger duplexes. You're talking about a ton of space and a lot to cover. We handled porch replacement. We handled full exterior paint. We handled window upgrades. We handled electrical rewiring, lights and kitchens, baths, floors, and new custom gutters and downspouts. All new exterior doors and lock sets and lights, and I mean, down to the spigots and mailboxes. In the basement, a ton of upgrades as well. And these are the big ticket items that we're talking about. We have brand new HVAC, 2 brand new furnaces, 1 for each unit. The other's hiding right behind the chimney stack, as well as 2 brand new AC units. It's not typical that multifamilies have central air conditioning. We installed it. Again, we wanted to really make sure this place is buttoned up. So each unit has a brand new central air unit and furnace, so upgraded HVAC throughout. 2 brand new hot water tanks, 1 for each unit, 40-gallon hot water tanks. Again, we wanted to make sure that most of the CapEx upgrades were handled. New fittings, new valves, new stems, a lot of new water lines. So these are gonna be fully functional and good to go for the next 10 to 15 years. A lot of plumbing upgrades, new hookups, new copper fittings, new valves, new laundry tub, faucet. We wanted to make sure the tenants had some designated laundry space as well. Something that I'd love to see, brand new PVC lines. We ran all new plumbing drain lines throughout the entire house from the attic down to the basement with the new clean out as well. Every single drain line in this house is replaced with PVC. There's not a single cast iron or galvanized pipe left in this house. You guys have seen some of my other videos, how the galvanized pipes tend to corrode from the inside. Not gonna see that here. With plumbing being kind of a main focal point of maintenance, we wanted to make sure that we prevented that moving forward. In addition to that, I mean, you're gonna see a lot of new wiring. Panels were grounded, upgraded, walls were painted. Place is very clean. New glass block windows installed. Let's not forget about that as well. Aesthetically speaking, good to go here. It's a perfect turnkey property for any investor. That's why we were able to sell it very quickly. This is the type of product that we put out. And our numbers turned out to be much better, not just for the investors, but for us as well. This is our first fire damage property, and the results really speak for themselves. We're all in for 130, 135,000. We're under contract around 220,000. We're able to really find some positive results for our team, for the investor, and for the next tenants that we're able to secure. If you have any questions, if you'd like to see some of our other turnkey inventory, please don't hesitate to reach out. I think you'll be very pleased with our product. Look forward to working together. Until next time.